Good morning, Kim. It's Thursday, January 12th, 2012, and this video comes to you in 3 parts. Part 1. Based on my somewhat unreliable argument for not having to do the video punishment thing immediately, I said that if I were punished, I would have a week to do the punishment, and you assigned the punishment on January 7th. So I have still a couple more days. Part 2. As you may know, I am going to be leaving in about 2 or 3 days. But I will be shortly on a plane back to Boston, well, technically to New York, and then I will be in New York, and then I'll take a bus. More importantly, this means that we will not be apart anymore. Well, I mean, we will technically be apart spatially, and also, metaphysically, considering that we're, separate substances, but apart from that. So we won't be in separate places, so we shouldn't technically need to do anything with this channel, right? So, what is going to come out of the wonderful Kim and Arca channel? Well, for one thing, we probably won't always be in the same locality for the rest of the next couple of years because of breaks from college and stuff. So we can use it for that. Or we could use it to make videos together once in a while for the internet, which might be more entertaining than my dumb videos. I would like to know your opinions on this matter. Part 3, Gender and Sexuality. Kim, your video on gender and sexuality and other things yesterday was quite enlightening. Not enlightening, but informative. Although I knew most of the things you said already. It's interesting to think about how society views gender and sexuality and how it has an influence on our individuality, if you will. As you know, I consider myself somewhat of a philosopher, considering I'm trying to fit 12 philosophy classes into my college curriculum in addition to an entire English major. I think it's really interesting to consider how we use gender and sexuality to constitute what we define ourselves as, or rather, how we shouldn't at times. And it has a lot to do with the nature of individuality and society and normativity and, other interesting things. But I don't know. I'd like to investigate. There are a number of, there's actually a philosophy class called Philosophy of Gender and Sexuality, but I'm more interested in the it's a gender and feminism class that's an upper level English critical studies class. I would really like to take, because it's interesting to think about gender and sexuality critically. Also, on a related note, my friend Katie Twin, who you know, kind of ish, she's taking a human sexuality class this semester, and she has a Twitter account for that. It's called what is it called? Dicks and Vaginas. Twitter.com/Dicks and Vaginas. So you can go to that if you want to, and so can our viewers, and you can see what Katie's learning about, and you can hear all about her kinkiness survey. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Kim, I will see you tomorrow, and I will also be doing my punishment inevitably on Saturday.